Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. At number 23, we have Warren Buffett, and he's on this list for valuing investing and pledging to give.
You can't ever do just one thing in economics. You probably can't in physics either. There's a butterfly effect. But in economics, you always have to say, and then what? And if you give a large break to one group, it's not free. If I were going to cut the revenues of the United States, I would have helped a different group of people. But as I say, it is very helpful to Berkshire. It's not that we were non-competitive before, but our shareholders are better off. If tomorrow everybody in the world had a chance to make a one-time change in where they lived, 2 billion families all over the world, the only time they're going to get the chance to make the change. But they will get transported free to any country they want to go, their family, and have citizenship. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow?
A lot of people come to the United States.
A lot of people are going to come to the United States. Very few people are going to leave. You want to associate with people that are better than you are. I mean, basically, you'll go in the direction of the people that you associate with, and you want to have the right heroes. You want people, if you want to emulate somebody, you better pick very carefully who you want to emulate. And when obviously you can't pick your parents. They're going to have an enormous influence on you, but you don't get a choice on that. But you get choices as you go down the line, and who you admire, who you want to copy, and the most important for most people in terms of that decision is their spouse. It's also important in terms of a partner in business, but the partner in life is the most important one. You want to pick a spouse that's better than you are.
Well, I've never met him in person, but I really get inspired that his mind just continues to think and just reinventing with the times. And that's what creative leaders do. The times are going to change, but your mind just needs to stay quick and stay at it. Because I tell you what, there's many ways to make money and many opportunities out here, and you just got to keep swinging and keep going. And he's one of the best. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.